Now, the West Bengal Joint Platform of Doctors has announced a plan for a 10-day sit-in demonstration in Kolkata starting tomorrow. This to demand justice in the RG Kar Hospital rape and murder case. The protest comes after two key suspects, Sandeep Ghosh and Abhijit Mondal, the suspended Tala police station officer in the case, were granted bail. Doctors are calling for immediate submission of the supplementary charge sheet by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The demonstration is set to run until the 6th of December. So the two key suspects who've been released in the RG Kar rape and murder case. Let's go across to Ridhita joining us live from the Bangla newsroom. Ridhita, there is clearly a lot of uproar over the release of the two key suspects in the case. Once again, run us through the key demands being made by the doctors who plan to stage a 10-day protest beginning tomorrow.
So the West Bengal Joint Platform of Doctors have decided to sit in for demonstrations which will be starting from Tuesday, which is tomorrow, and it will last till the 26th of December. It will start tomorrow at the Dorina crossing, and as we understand from the joint conveners, Punya Brata Gan's statement yesterday, that he has emphasized the need to submit of the supplementary charge sheet by CBI at the earliest, otherwise the doctors will be sitting back in protest of the RG Kar murder and rape case which had happened in August 9th. So this development of the doctors' protest comes after last week's activities, which on December 11th we have seen that the Vrinda Grover, the family's lawyer, has said that she will no more be fighting the case for Abhaya's families, and just 2 days later on December 14th we get to understand that CBI could not submit the charge sheet in the Supreme Court, and due to which the two key suspects of the case was released out on bail, and for which the doctors have decided again to sit in protest, and they will be holding the demonstration from tomorrow till 26th. So 5 organizations are involved in holding this protest. These 5 organizations will be holding the protest under the umbrella of West Bengal Joint Doctors Platform. That is what we are understanding, and the city again will be joining in chorus in protest in justice for Abhaya from tomorrow. Back to you.
All right, Ridhita, thank you for the moment. So doctors who plan to stage a 10-day sit-in protest beginning tomorrow. For now, we switch focus to other stories we are tracking. Now, this is in the national capital in the run-up to the Delhi elections. Chief Minister Atishi has accused the BJP-led centre of settling illegal Rohingyas in the national capital. In fact, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri was countered with sharp criticism of AAP's claims. This comes amid preparations for the 2025 Delhi Assembly elections. Here's a full report.
Amidst crackdown on illegal immigrants in the national capital, the debate over illegal Rohingyas heats up.